doing? I'm recording you.
Hi.
Hi. We're taking pictures.
They're taking a picture of that baby.
Okay, you want Grandma to hold you?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Oh. Tell me more. I like your stories. Tell me some more. No. What else is going on today?
What?
Is tomorrow your first Christmas?
You want this gun?
Yeah. Say that's okay. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Talk to us some more.
I don't know where the phone went. I mean, it's on that tree somewhere, I think.
You're very pretty.
Yeah, I mean,
You're a very handsome boy, aren't you? Yeah. Yeah. What's going on with you, huh? Yeah. Are you having a fun day? Yeah. You look concerned. You look concerned.